Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I just got off the phone with Gail Burston, who gave me her recipe for Amsterdam cell activator, which is basically 4 parts Floetrol and 1 part Amsterdam white. And I am hoping that it's okay that I had GAC 800 in there. I've got a couple of little swipe tools. I got some dishes over here and some more tools, and I'm planning on actually putting some paint into these dishes and trying out the swipe in that way and hoping that it's going to work. I have some Meeden. I have some Meeden black paint that I'm going to try and lay down in a pleasing pattern and maybe even tip around before I start to add more paint to it. I don't think I need to go the whole length or the whole width because I'll be smearing and swiping my way to happiness. I've got some leftover paint from yesterday, which is hot orchid and some orange and some Decor Americana 24 karat gold, and I'm contemplating throwing a little bit of Anita's white metallic in there too for whatever reason. Well, no, that's not right, because I am going to put the Amsterdam white as a cell activator. So let me use some Anita's white metallic that has pink in it. So at least if it shows up at all, it won't be a problem. I didn't put any black in there, and I kind of want something dark. So I think I'll put a little bit of this amethyst, metallic amethyst, pearl amethyst, whatever you want to call it, from Artist Loft. Okay, so I put my white out. I'm going to put some black out too, just in case. You can't see it, but it's over there. So I've got black and white, and I've got a couple of palette knives, 4 palette knives actually. And I'm nervous. So let's just put my paint out. This was originally a ring pour. It had some gorgeous colors in it. I've added a few since then. I could, I suppose, scrape it out, but often I like to have something left so I can do my edges. I had a piece of plastic. I used this cling wrap. I think it's from Glad. And it sticks and seals things, so I recommend that stuff. It'll save your stuff overnight. My studio rag in my dish, held up by another dish. I'm going to throw some water on that, so if I need to wipe something off, I have the appropriate tool. Okay, enough talk. Time to get busy. I'm going to take my tool first, which I wish had a better 45-degree angle, but I'm going to try and remember to hold it at a certain angle. And I'm going to just push some paint. I might even steal some paint. That's some nice lacing, Gail. Well done. Woohoo! Look at that. I want to try my round one next. And to see if I can force some more paint out. Love my little tools. Look at that. I'm going to go one more in the direction, one more white, but in the opposite direction. Need to steal a little paint. Cool. Alright, I am really looking forward to trying the black right along with this, and I don't know how that's going to work, so that'll be exciting. I don't want to clean that off yet. Alright, so I'm going to take another little round that I'm going to load up. Load up with the black. Feather out. I might want to tip this at some point in time. Gosh, I love that. I've been waiting forever. I can't tell you for the white, for the recipe for the white. I don't know why I didn't try harder to get it, but thank you so much, Gail. You're such a sweetheart. I really appreciate it. I don't mind using some of, I'm just going to keep going back to it. My gold did not show up, which means I could probably add some and be pretty happy. These little tools are great because if you drag them right over to the edge, they're the perfect cover for an edge. Oh, that's so cool. Even without the gold. And I can also pick up some color. Might take a second. Hopefully my head's not, yeah, it's probably in your way. So that's pretty neat. I want to take some gold and put it in there. Right now, I might want to put some orange in there too. I'm just going to keep wiping off my tool. First on my low leafy silicone mat to get rid of the paint, and then to get rid of the residuals. I want to do half black and half white. I wonder if I can do that. I like twisting that around so that I don't drag anything weird. Let's just keep putting colors in that I like. I want to do half black and half white. So what can I do that with? I've got another little tool. Grab this tool. Let's see if I can do it. Half white. Half black. That's asking a lot, isn't it? I didn't get much. That's really weird. I'm inspired to use the edge of my tool and pull out some tendrils. As best I can. Should I tip? I don't think I want to tip. I might want some more paint over here. I've got tremendous cells. This is some kind of weird creature. I'm got to keep going because this is just too kind of strange. There are 2 oranges and some gold. I have some turquoise too, and I kind of want to use it. I'm just thinking about where it's going to go. Pop that bubble. So if I steal some paint, I can finish my markup. I am finally getting used to my tools a little bit. I'm loving that purple. That is, like I was saying, I think I have the neon purple from Folk Art, along with some purple flash from Folk Art, which is color shifting, and probably some neon purple. I think I said that wrong. Probably I have some neon purple from Folk Art that has iridescent pearl fine in it. That would probably be it, I think. So, all bets are off. I'm going to put some of this over there. Maybe I'm going to put a little bit of it right here, right now. Just because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. I like to have the points kept on these tools sometimes. That way I can drag things out if I want to. I'm going to clean that off on my rag again. I like changing up the colors a lot. Yes, indeed I do. And I'm going to do it right here with a smaller tool, I think. That is the electric blue from Arteza. And I need a smaller tool, or at least another tool. I think I'm going to use this one again. Best to wipe it off first. I'm enjoying this white very much. I'm just not sure where to start. There, I like that. I kind of want to put a little bit of that turquoise right here. Yeah, I like that. I'm kind of having a good time taking my time, which is a little different. I usually feel pretty rushed. I'm going to keep throwing more of my orange in there because I really like the way it looks. I might even run out of time, you never know. I've got 5 minutes left. I ought to hurry. I'm going to do this one with the black. And then come back and add some white after. This is the perfect way to learn how to use these tools, in my opinion. Magical creature. Some kind of nudibranch from the ocean bottom. That's a sea slug, by the way. And I might not even be saying it correctly. I just wanted some of that purple over there. I could pretty much add tendrils of any color I want, which is so exciting. Not that I always couldn't, but... So that didn't come out too white, but I think something will probably show up. I have some Prussian blue and I keep being called to it. I am going to go back and try and find one of my smaller tools. If I haven't let the paint dry on it, that would be good. Perfect. Come on out. A little more white. I want something brighter. Oh, and I have it too. Let's try some of this. I want to try everything. I want a really tiny one of these. Do I want black? I don't. I want to get rid of the black. So this is a dry canvas. I did prime it in advance because I know I can do this into a wet canvas, but I like the idea of learning how to control things so I don't get too many weird smears. I am definitely still hooked up on the Venetian blue. And with it, yep, I like it even just right there. With it a little purple. Am I doing the white? Oh, gosh, cool. I've got another color Venetian blue actually it's Anita's white with the Venetian blue in it. I think I'm just going to indulge myself and put all three there. I'm kind of wondering if I can put some of this white on and spin it in place and make some cells, like right in here. Yes! Oh yes, that's cool. I'm glad to know that. When I've got a whole bunch of paint on my little tool, I don't mind attempting to let it sort of leave the tool by dripping, I guess. There's got to be a better way to put that. The round ones don't want to shed their paint. They want to steal some paint. Alright, so I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. I'm not done composing this by any stretch of the imagination. I think I'm going to take my palette knife and go ahead and give myself permission and I know the paint is heavy there, so that's not... Ooh, I like the black and white. And the cells showing through are pretty cool. Grab a little more. Grab a little more turquoise and call it good, and tell you guys you should check under the link tree, which is the first blue link under the video, for my Legalerist clothing. It's awesome. It's made in Montreal. It's very high end, and it's worth checking out. It's the first link on the Legalerist on the link tree. Also, underneath the video, you'll find Teespring or Spring. It's called Spring now. Spring clothing. Come on, off you come. I'm going to torch this to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I might actually be interested in camouflaging that little fingerprint I left. This is pretty cool. I could probably keep working on this like way too long. That was a lot of fun. Thank you so much, Gail. So please give my video a thumbs up, and when you share, you help me out. When you watch longer, it's the most help of all. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are all found on the link tree, along with Facebook groups: Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Toads and More, and Expressionist Art Studio Fans and Collectors. If you are interested in helping support the production of videos for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, then if you find the PayPal and Patreon icons on my YouTube channel banner and use them, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes that are available for the monthly drawing included in the exhibition video and the end screens of every video. I didn't think about any dots, but I've got various little bits of paper. Excuse me, little paint? Where did that come from? I didn't get a whole lot of gold in here, and I might want to put a little bit more in a couple of places. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you that I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. Bye for now. If I missed something, you'll see it in another video. Priscilla out. Oh, you're still here. I can zoom in. Check that out.